The India, which was the part of the Gondwana land, break away from it and sailed through the oceans for about 50 million years, then dashed against the Eurasian plate, gave birth to the world's highest mountain chain Himalayas. Isn't it fascinating? The India is not only the second most populous country, but it also has in store some mind-blowing facts and achievements under its belts. That today we will going to talk about that 10 amazing facts that will blow your mind away. Then let's start. Our first India fact, which is related to the Varanasi. The Varanasi is the city which is 5000 years old, and Varanasi is one of the oldest inhabited places in the world. The Varanasi is the city represented by the Prime Ministers of India Narendra Modi in the parliament situated on the banks of the river Ganga. The holy city of Banaras or Varanasi is at least 3000 years old. According to the Hindu mythology, the Lord Shiva found this city 5000 years ago. The Varanasi is the city of ghats. There are so many river ghats that are as old as the city by itself. Our second point will going to perplex all of you. A meteor from the breathtaking Lonar Lake in Maharashtra, a 4-hour drive from Aurangabad and doubling as Maharashtra's best kept secret. This lake was created by a plummeting meteor about 50,000 years ago. Travel enthusiasts must not miss this astronomical marvel and the temples around it. The third mystery about India is the mysterious anti-gravity hill in Ladakh, which is also called the Magnetic Hills. With the anti-gravity effect, this is the only magnetic hill in India. The land marked by a yellow board that spells out the instruction asks you to place your car on the neutral gear right on the spot marked by the white paint. This one will leave you in awe as your car will begin to move uphill on its own. Our fourth fact about India is that Indian national kabaddi team has won all the World Cups. The India is where the game of kabaddi originated, and Indian national kabaddi team makes sure it brings all the 5 World Cup trophies home. The women's kabaddi team has also remained undefeated in all the kabaddi World Cups. In our fifth facts, we will going to talk about so many facts altogether. The land of the many first, Indians invented the snake and the ladders, shampooing, algebra, and more. A plethora of the objects and the concept originated in India, started from the game of snakes and the ladders to the chess, aka chaturanga, buttons, shampooing, the number pi, the diamond mining, also invented in India. The India had only one diamond mine. From there the Kohinoor got out, but unfortunately the British looted that diamond and they fixed it in their own crown. The zero, also invented from India, they discovered by the Aryabhatta. The speculation is that zero actually represents the black hole. The algebra and the trigonometry also found all by the Indians, along with the findings of the presence of the water on the moon by sending the Chandrayaan missions to the moon. Isn't that interesting facts about India? The sixth interesting fact about India will going to stun you, that's for sure. The world's only floating post office in the Dal Lake in Srinagar. The India is only known for the most significant number of post offices in the world, but it has its own floating post office on the Dal Lake in Srinagar. It also includes a museum within itself. The seventh point will going to drown you and will going to make you feel about the rainiest place on earth. The Mawsynram is the wettest place on earth with 11,873 mm of the rain annually. It holds the Guinness Book of World Record of raining. It gets the excessive rain because of the southwest monsoon entered through the Bay of Bengal and hits it first and the rain blocked because that region is mountainous. The winter months of these regions are spent in the preparations for the 6 months long monsoon ahead. The eighth one is related to a voting polling booth set up for just one voter in Gujarat. India's most privileged voter, Mohand Bharat Das, resides in a small hamlet called the Banej in middle of the Gir forest, Gujarat. The setting up of parliamentary polling booth for just one voter goes a long way in speaking the decibels about the democratic spirit of country. India follows the parliamentary democratic system whose head of the government is the president. Our ninth point will going to make you feel about the Indian spirituality and Indians believe in the gods. Because of the belief in the gods and the spirituality, the Shani Shignapur is a village where the houses do not have the doors, attracting over 40,000 devotees each day due to a 300-year-old legend. This village in Maharashtra features establishment without any doors and locks. Its residents sleep soundly as they believe Lord Shani to be the guardian of the town. India is a land of Hinduism, so every molecule of this country full of gods and the spirituality that keeps them fulfilling their belief. Through our 10th point, we will going to give you an idea about the students, those who are crazy about the government job. The tiny village of Madhopatti is called the officers' village of India. The small village in Jaunpur, the district of Uttar Pradesh, Madhopatti has created history by producing the most number of IAS officers. It has given the 47th IAS officers to the Indian governments. Not just that many from the same village have made their careers by joining the prestigious organizations like ISRO, BARC and World Bank. That is all from today from us. See you tomorrow.